Myra, thank you.
There will be 2 trials in the case of 4 Milwaukee police officers accused of illegal strip and body cavity searches.
This morning in court, all 4 defendants appeared before a judge, but from now on, Officer Michael Vagnini will stand alone. Brett Pagansky joins us in the studio to explain why.
The other 3 officers face lesser charges in the matter, and one attorney we spoke to today says this motion could mean they're trying to distance themselves from the other officer who is charged with a more serious crime. All 4 Milwaukee police officers walked into Milwaukee County Court together.
Mr. Vagnini will be severed out, having his own trial date.
But they walked out divided.
Officer Dalhoff, Zelic, and Knight proceed to trial second.
Their defense asked the judge to have Michael Vagnini tried separately, with Brian Kozelik, Jacob Knight, and Jeffrey Dalhoff tried together.
I guess I'm not really surprised.
Defense attorney Jonathan Safran represents 3 individuals who say they are victims in the state's investigation into illegal strip searches and body cavity searches.
Defendants would prefer to sever the cases because they prefer that there be less of this guilt by association.
Safran says it's common for defendants in a case like this to separate, considering 3 of the officers have lesser charges against them. Vagnini faces 25 charges, and he's the only one facing second-degree sexual assault.
I can certainly understand and appreciate from a jury's standpoint of having to separate all those things out that there could be an argument of prejudice for the other 3 officers.
Nonetheless, Safran says the state will argue there is guilt by association, but Safran feels separating them into 2 cases makes it a fair process. And all 4 men will have their final pretrial hearings on February 20th. That's their deadline to file any additional motions. Michael Vagnini's trial will begin April 29th, while Knight, Dalhoff, and Kozelik will have theirs on June 3rd. Back to you.
Brett, thank you. They call her a good person, a community treasure, and a good choice to serve on Milwaukee's Fire and Police Commission.
So why did Milwaukee's Common Council not approve Ann Wilson's nomination earlier this morning? Fox 6's Tammy Hughes is live in the newsroom with what happened. Sounds like